Your smartphone is more than just a device for calls and messages. It's a gateway to capturing the world's beauty at your fingertips. With the right approach, anyone can take breathtaking photos, no matter their experience level. In this guide, you'll learn practical tips that make photography simple and enjoyable. Get ready to unlock your phone's full potential and see everyday moments in a whole new light. Mastering exposure settings on your phone camera is key to capturing well-balanced photos. By adjusting exposure, you can control the brightness and clarity of your images, ensuring that important details are neither lost in shadows nor washed out by excessive light. The histogram is a valuable tool that helps you visualize the distribution of light in your photo, making it easier to avoid overexposure or underexposure. With practice, these adjustments can greatly enhance the quality of your photography. ISO and shutter speed are two essential settings that photographers use to control exposure and creative effects. In low-light environments, increasing the ISO allows your camera to capture brighter images without needing a longer exposure time. Fast shutter speeds are ideal for freezing fast-moving subjects, ensuring sharp, clear photos of action scenes. Conversely, slower shutter speeds can be used to introduce motion blur, adding a sense of movement and artistry to your images. By understanding how ISO and shutter speed interact, you can adapt to different lighting conditions and achieve your desired photographic style. Manual camera mode on your smartphone gives you greater control over your photography. By adjusting the ISO, you can manage how sensitive your camera is to light, which is especially useful in low light or bright environments. Shutter speed lets you capture motion, either freezing fast action or creating smooth, blurred effects. Manual focus allows you to highlight specific subjects with precision. Experimenting with these settings in various lighting conditions can help you achieve striking, professional-quality images. Capturing the beauty of nature with your phone is easier than you might think. Start by making sure your lens is clean, as even a small smudge can affect image clarity. Enable grid lines on your camera to help compose balanced and visually appealing shots. Try photographing your subject from different angles to discover unique perspectives. Finally, take advantage of natural light, especially during early morning or late afternoon, to achieve vibrant and striking outdoor photos. Enhancing your photos doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few simple editing tips, you can dramatically improve the look of your images. Using popular apps, you can easily adjust color, increase sharpness, and enhance the overall impact of your photos. These straightforward techniques can transform an ordinary shot into something truly breathtaking. Even small changes can make a big difference in how your pictures are perceived. As you continue your photography journey, remember that every shot is a chance to see the world from a fresh perspective. Don't hesitate to experiment with different techniques and styles, as each photo you take helps you grow as an artist. Share your work and experiences with others, inspiring and learning from the creative community around you. Embrace the process and let your unique vision shine through every image you capture.